High-speed photography doesn't require expensive gear. As we'll demonstrate in this video, all you need is a camera with manual exposure settings and a handful of common electronic components. Let's try to capture a series of precisely timed photos showing a falling water droplet hitting the surface of a liquid. The project starts with a makeshift optical detector combining an LED and a phototransistor. Right above the detector, I mounted a disposable plastic dropper with a pinhole punched through the bulb. This small hole causes a slow and predictable drip from the dropper, with every droplet crossing the detector on its way down. This oscilloscope trace shows the output from the phototransistor dropping from logical 1 to 0 whenever the light is diffracted by the falling liquid. The next piece of the puzzle is a simple circuit to implement a configurable delay and then strobe an output pin for 1/20,000th of a second. This output signal is then routed to a transistor controlling an array of high-power LEDs. The idea is to put the camera in a darkened room, set a long exposure time, and hope that the LEDs will illuminate the scene at just the right moment. With each flash lasting just 50 microseconds, we should be able to freeze time with much higher resolution than possible with a typical camera shutter or a flash bulb. We'll be operating our LEDs at roughly 10 times the rated current. This appears to be safe given the minimal duty cycle. That said, measuring microsecond level currents is not trivial. I use a shunt connected to an oscilloscope to calibrate the current in relation to the voltage the capacitor is charged to. This oscilloscope trace shows a voltage of about 650 millivolts across the shunt. This translates to a current of 65 amps flowing through the LEDs. So, does it work?